Well, hello there. So as you can see, still a bit of yellow across the article. So yeah, quite a number of spelling mistakes, as I already mentioned earlier, and maybe some things that also should be said a little differently to make sure that it comes across as English or American English, whatever way you look at it. But yeah, it needs a bit of changes here and there. So first of all, doesn't. Well, even my spell check one saw that, so it should be doesn't. Same here. So if I look at, yeah, that's the one. So always make sure you use spell check. Even sometimes it doesn't pick out all mistakes, but these are so much in your face that this should have been covered already. So here is as well, and accommodation. Also, this is the way how to spell it. Then here, White Texel is a top holiday despite of, or perhaps I would say not precisely, that is Dutch. So despite of, or perhaps thanks to. Not more clear, because clear has lots of syllables. If a word has more syllables than 3, like for example beautiful, and you want to go into that higher level, that it's more, then you would say more beautiful, but here you get clearer, has never been clearer. So like big, bigger, you don't say more big. Same goes for clear, so ER comes and you drop the more. Hasn't been clearer. Because of the fact there are, well, already this is highlighted, so this would be there are. Then planes, no, because these planes don't fly. These are planes like in the savannah. Of course, that should be planes, like airplanes. And you should add something to this sentence. So there is less. So because the fact there are no planes flying over, and there is less pollution, because it's an extra. Not by the days, a Dutch word here, but day by day, growing day by day. Then there is an opportunity to have a picnic, not to picnic. That's again Dutch. We've made but you have a picnic. Again, something that a word already could have picked up lots. Spelling is a real success. Well, success here, but it's is really successful. That's what you would mention here, and then it's the double S, of course, with success. But here you would say is really successful. Well, of course, you can leave all the Dutch words, that's okay. But brilliant, again, spelled this way, double L, not with a J, even though that's what you hear, but 2 L's sometimes can mean a J. And then finally, different, a bit over enthusiastic with the F's here, triple F, I think. Of course, it's just different. And instead of signs, I would say billboards, because they advertise the restaurant. So different billboards or different restaurant billboards, different restaurant billboards, as mentioned, I would say, as mentioned in the article. So here again, like this. Here now it says Artosel article. So that was it, really. For some of you, maybe you've never seen one of these videos. That's because I might not have received anything in the first period of content. So if you still need some feedback on your level, then you also hopefully know how to find me. That was it. Bye.